Wasp Mantis truly deserves an Oscar for Best Actor. This little actor, not a relative of mantises or wasps, delivers a performance that leaves a lasting impression. Let's give him a rating for his acting skills. Ha! The way he throws punches is incredibly mantis-like. Despite his tiny size of 2 to 3 centimeters, it hasn't hindered his pursuit of becoming a dream actor. Look at him, such a passionate little performer. Biologists, in a gesture of respect for this little star, have named him in a way that resonates with the mantis.